Hello there guys, it's me Foxy 313 and I'm taking a look in this little carriage beach hut. Very nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present the Navy Lark with our 3 stars, Dennis Price, John Pertwee, and...
Oh god. There's myself in the mirror. Oh, there's another one of myself here.
We all have our secrets, but the one our naval draft on the island has is a big one they wish somebody else had kept.
Oh. Very, very nice. This is probably going to remind me of Angela's, I suppose. Edith. Edith. Oh, this is nice. I love this place. I would want to live in it. I wish I could move into this one.
Oh, I see. You're doing a newspaper competition.
Yes, you have to judge which of these girls in swimming costumes move out of bed.
I get the idea. Well, perhaps this is a newspaper to say you won.
Now, do me a favour. I haven't entered yet.
Hello, main office.
This is Commander Bowman. I want to speak to number 1.
I'm not sure if he's in his office, sir. Would you like to speak to Sub-Lieutenant Phillips?
Not much, but put him on.
Leslie, it's Commander Povey.
Lummy, has he won?
Silly stick in the mud. But very nice, isn't it? Bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye bye. Leslie. Foxy. Foxy? Very nice.